how to use Polybuzz.ai for captions and hashtags. First of all, open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the plus button in the middle of the bottom bar to open the Create section. Here you will see options like regular, multi-role and templates. To generate captions and hashtags, start with regular mode. Type a short description or prompt about your video, post or content theme. For example, you can write prompts like funny video captions, Instagram captions, TikTok captions or trending hashtags. Once you enter your prompt, tap Generate. Polybuzz.ai will use AI to provide multiple caption suggestions and relevant hashtags tailored to your content. You can review them, select your favorite, and even tweak the captions for a more personalized touch. If you want multiple perspectives or captions for different characters, try multi-role mode. This allows AI to create captions from different voices or styles, which is perfect for videos, storytelling, or collaborative content. The templates option is great for quickly generating caption formats and hashtag suggestions without starting from scratch. You can pick a template and modify it with your prompts to fit your content. After generating, review and copy the captions and hashtags. You can now use them directly in your social media posts, video descriptions or reels to improve engagement and reach. Now you know how to use Polybuzz.ai for captions and hashtags. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.